In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the chart to the side on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to reposition your chart so you have more room for the tools you use most, and you'll pick up a few practical tips to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Start by opening your Metatrader 5 platform and loading the chart you want to work with. It helps to make sure the chart is active by clicking anywhere in the price area, so your keyboard shortcuts go to the right place. If you're juggling multiple symbols or time frames, pick the one you plan to work on now. You can always repeat these moves on other charts later. Next, press Ctrl and M on your keyboard. This toggles the Market Watch panel. When Market Watch is visible, it docks on the left side and immediately gives you a clear side boundary. That boundary makes it obvious where your chart will sit as you reposition it, and it also provides a tidy list of symbols you might want to keep nearby. If you prefer more or less space, you can hover over the edge of that panel and resize it. If you want to check how your layout looks with extra room, you can toggle Ctrl+M again at any time to hide and reveal the panel without losing your place. Now, let's move the chart itself. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, click and hold on a blank area of the chart. Avoid grabbing an object like a trend line or an indicator handle so you don't accidentally move that instead. With Alt still held down and your mouse button pressed, drag the chart to the position you want. You'll feel like you're grabbing the entire price area and sliding it. Move it left or right to create space on the side, or nudge it slightly to align the candles exactly where you want them. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse button first, then let go of Alt. If the chart doesn't move, try clicking a slightly different spot on the chart background and repeat the drag. A couple of small attempts will give you a feel for it. After that initial click and drag with Alt, you can freely fine-tune the position as needed. Repeat the same gesture to slide the chart a little more or to correct an overmove. If live price action is active and the chart is updating rapidly, keep your mouse held down during the drag until you're set. That prevents little nudges from pushing your view forward before you let go. Vertical dragging will shift the view relative to the price scale so you can see more highs or lows without changing the symbol or time frame, while horizontal dragging helps you line up your candles away from the very edge. Take a moment to look at your new layout. If you want additional space on the left, widen the Market Watch panel slightly. If you want your chart pushed further right, narrow the panel or repeat the Alt drag. Finally, remember that indicators can be arranged to complement your new layout. When you add an indicator that opens in its own window, it appears as a separate panel attached to your main chart. You can click and drag the border of that panel to allocate more or less height and position it at the top or bottom of your workspace. If the indicator overlays the main price chart, moving the chart to the side makes it easier to keep the candles and indicator values readable without crowding the scale. The key is to use your new chart position as the anchor, then size and place your indicators around it so everything you need is visible without overlap. To recap, open your platform, toggle the Market Watch panel with Ctrl+M to create a clear side boundary, then hold Alt and click drag directly on the chart to slide it exactly where you want it. Once it's in place, adjust your indicators so the most important information is front and center. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your charts clean, focused, and ready for quick decision making.